Thank you for watching this video. In this video, I will introduce this wireless full color LED car sign for you. It applies for DC9-36 voltage. Look, this is the secret including and with the long cable. The cable is 3.5 meters, so you can look. This is the Cigar Lighter, and there are two shackles. Okay, next I will introduce how amazing of this LED car sign. Look, it displays the neon letters. It scrolling your advertisement, the jump message, the image. You can uploading the image photos to this LED sign, and it also show your logo. So it actually can display any picture. You can upload it by the app which Leadleds provide. Okay, it display in different direction. Okay, let's I will introduce how to program the messages. How amazing to display your advertisement. This is the Wi-Fi LED sign. So first, we should connect this. It is Wi-Fi. You don't use your international Wi-Fi, so don't waste your international Wi-Fi data. So just connect the LED signs hotspot. Let's tap this, click this Wi-Fi. Yes, just I tap it, I click it. And look, just I program lots of message in here. If you like this message, just tick it, then click to send. Okay. Now I want to program a new message, so I want to untick it. So click this one, add message. This one, just I tick it. And look here. This is the interface of how to program these messages. So you can look here. It can make the message in different direction. Make a mirror. The mirror. I think the mirror function is very useful for car. So you can value this message in the rear window, rear mirror of your car. So let me tap this. Please tap this. You input your message. I input the message in Leadleds. Click save. And here you can choose the more action, speech. And here you can choose the different direction. You can, yes, mirror function. If you want to add more messages, just tap this plus icon. So I want to display the image. Okay. So tap it and choose the image. I want to display this. Okay, you can use your finger to adjust this to and adjust this. Be careful, please don't cover each other. So you need to adjust it. Okay, let me after you finish the program, just tap the send. So this is the Wi-Fi. You can change the Wi-Fi password, and you can power on, power off in the appointment time. you can adjust the brightness. So this function is very useful. Look, you can it can display the image, caption, their data, timing, video, even video, it can support. So because this is not very good, not big LED sign, maybe this is for display the picture and the letters, and also it displays the animation. So click there. Okay, let's I finished the program and message. Just tap to send. So you see it's very quickly to send. Yeah. Just I programmed the message. It's scrolling on the image on the screen. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, we appreciate you share it, like it. Thank you for watching this video. It's made by Leadleds.